Let your life flow like a river. Break away from material ego. You never know what's around the corner for you. We all got.
Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hi everybody, thank you for coming. I'm so happy you guys are here today, and of course I am so happy to bring you guys another video. I have 26 new subscribers. Where are you guys coming from? Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to my channel. My name is Odette. Make sure your notifications are turned on. Thumbs up this video, like, and of course watch the video to the end. Thank you for coming. Thank you guys so much for coming. I appreciate all of you guys so much. And so in today's video, I have a random collective haul for you guys and a little bit of makeup things. So we're just going to get right into the video. So we are going to start with this product from Loreal Paris. The only thing I'm going to say to you guys is run, don't walk to your beauty supply store to get this product. Please, you are not going to be sorry. This is from Loreal Paris. This is the this is a peeling toner. It has 5% pure glycolic acid. This product is paraben free, okay? When I am shopping for skincare products, I always look for the ingredients to make sure that there is nothing in these skincare products that's going to harm my skin. Paraben free, alcohol free, nothing that's going to damage my skin. These are things that I look for. And congratulations to Loreal Paris. You're doing really well with your skincare products. And I have the most sensitive skin of anyone on the planet, and I use this twice a day. This is an amazing toner. Your skin will feel so good. And I want you guys to buy this, try it, and come back and tell me what you think. You will not be sorry. You will thank me later. I promise you. Okay? So next from Milani, this is a hydrating skin tint. I'm wearing this today. This gives you a little bit of a glow. I just went in with a little bit of a color correcting. This went on top, and I went in with my Face Italia powder. That's all I have on my face today. And the shade of this is 310 medium to dark. I really, really like it. If you're somebody who wants to have that really strong glowing foundation, or not foundation but makeup finish, yes, you can go in as strong as you want, but as of course for me, I like to keep everything light and simple, because to me less is more. Okay, and I was really iffy about the shade, but it fits really, really, really nicely. That's what's on my face today. Really, really easy and simple. Love it, love it. And so next I do have this Perfume. You guys would have seen this on Instagram. When I saw this, I thought I have to have it. Let me open this for you guys. This is one of the most incredible things I have ever seen. I have seen perfume bottles in my lifetime, but hang on, I'm trying to get this out for you guys. But I have never seen a perfume in a bottle like this. Just feast your eyes. Just take a minute. Just take a minute. I'm just going to give you guys a second to just take it in. Take it in. This is the lovely packaging right here. Okay. It came in this box. I love this perfume bottle so much. And I'm going to tell you something. This smells... Oh my God. Why? This smells incredible. From Suzy Shier. I went into Suzy Shier the other day, and I said to the girl, I said, what the hell is this? She goes, it's a perfume. I said, I'm sorry, this is a what? I said, can I have it please? And you know, I smelled it and I thought, it's going into my bag. I'm getting this right now. The bottle is just very unusual. I have never ever in my entire life seen a perfume like this in a bottle. I mean, just look at that. This is so pretty. You have a little bit of a darkness right here, light on top. I love the cover. It smells absolutely wonderful. I have another one, but I'm giving it to a friend of mine. And of course, I cannot ship this in a giveaway. It's going to break for sure. So I may consider a giveaway, but because my friend just lives not too far from me, I'm going to give her the other one that I do have. Absolutely gorgeous. If you live in Canada and you have a Suzy Shier store close to where you live, go in as fast as you can. Again, run, don't walk. Get this. Absolutely gorgeous. So next I do have this vitamin C eye mask. I picked up another one from Sephora. These are really, really good to help with the dark circles around the eyes and keep the eye area really nice and hydrated. It's you get a little bit of that glow, but not too much. And this is it right here. I absolutely love this. And these masks are really, really inexpensive from Sephora. And then I do have this rose mask as well from Sephora. These are really, really nice. I do mask my face once a week just to maintain, because I really want to keep those wrinkles as far away as possible and just keep my skin hydrated, because people think because you have oily skin you don't need hydration. I mean, come on, where was that written? Where did you get that from? So these masks, again, very inexpensive from Sephora. And this is the green tea mask. I love these as well, and again from Sephora. And please stay away from those clay masks that will dry on your skin, and the ones that are peeling. Like, I would not recommend you use those, because when you pull those things off your face, your skin is so dry. Okay, always use mask and do your masking once a week. These masks are really, really good, very inexpensive from Sephora. Okay, this one here is from Garnier Green Labs. This is a balancing serum with niacinamide. Okay, it has kale in it as well. Really, really good. This is my last one. Okay, so every week when I do my masking, when I'm doing my skincare routine, I use a different mask every single time, and I get different results, right? And this is a beautiful mask from Garnier. Let me just bring that close so you guys can see it. Absolutely lovely. You just leave this on your skin for at least 5 minutes. Don't rinse this off. Just massage the rest of the liquid onto your skin, and then you can go in with your serums and your moisturizers. This is also very, very lovely. One of my favorites. I haven't I think it was next video you guys are going to see a demonstration. This is a moisture balm sheet mask. This is a brightening, hydrating mask from Garnier Skin Active. Really, really, really lovely. These things are going to make such a big difference on your skin. Masking is really important. I mean, your massages, your derma ones, your peels, whatever it is you use, but make sure your peels are very gentle. Okay, and I would really strongly suggest that you guys use some of these ones from Garnier. All right, I picked up this Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash. This is always sold out at Shoppers Drug Mart. Always, always sold out. So if you can get your hands on this, please pick up more than one. This is going to do exactly as it says for your skin. Brighten your skin, even out those skin tones. You have those dark patchiness all over your face. You need this, baby. Okay, this is going to do that for you. And I do have this lipstick from MAC. I'm wearing this lipstick today. This lipstick is called Ruby Who. You remember with that first lipstick that came out, Ruby WOO? This is Ruby WHO. And this is a very soft matte lipstick. The Ruby Woo was a little bit drier on your lips. This one is a matte lipstick, but it gives you, it's a little bit more moisturizing. Okay, and again, I'm wearing this today. And it's not as red as the Ruby Woo. This is lovely, really nice, really soft, but it is a matte lipstick. Really, really pretty. There we go. Okay. Very, very pretty. From MAC. And I think MAC is really trying to reinvent themselves lately. And I picked up this lip liner. This is called, I think, Mahogany. The chestnut was sold out, and so I thought, let me just take this one. And of course, Mahogany is just a little bit darker, but I mean, it does work. But I would not use this on that red lipstick. I really wouldn't. If you're using something matte or maybe like a lip gloss and you really want to blend that in nicely, then you can use your Mahogany. This is a really nice deep purple shade from MAC. And when I was in the MAC store, you know, they have these new foundations that are coming out, and they've changed the consistency of their foundations a little bit, and they've added moisturizers into some of their foundations, which is going to be coming soon. And I guess you can find these foundations in the US. Canada is always behind. And so she gave me a sample, and this is NW43. I do have an NW43 foundation already, but it's a different consistency. And if you do have oily skin, this is not for you, okay? Especially, you know, in the coming spring and summer season, because it has such a high creamy base. But when I tested this in store, it looked really good on my face. But when you test things in store, you don't have your moisturizers and your base and all of that on. So of course it's going to look a little bit different. So I said, listen, and it's $44 for the foundation. Oh, no. Just give me a sample. I said, I'm not spending $44 today on this foundation. Just give me a sample already. So she gave me a sample, NW43, and I have been using it and I really like it. And of course, this is so creamy. And ladies, do not paint this all over your face. Don't go in with a whole bunch of this on a brush or a sponge. Just do half of a dime size all over your face. That's all you would need, because you're basically going to be painting your face like a paintbrush, and you don't want to do that, right? Just very little. Half of a dime size will do the whole face. Trust me, it will, because it's very, very creamy, and it's a very, very high liquid foundation, so you don't really need too much. So I'm still testing this out, and I really, really like it. Last but not least, I do have this lipstick from Revlon. This is called In the Money. Okay, I have two of these, and every time I wear this lipstick, people always say to me, what are you wearing? Where did you get that lipstick? And I said, it's from Revlon. So I'm just going to put a little, I mean, look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is. This looks like a terracotta with a hint of red in it. And it's just so pretty. And, you know, you don't really need a lip liner with this one. Just put this on and that's it. If you want to line your lips, fine. But when I wear this, I don't go in with a lip liner. This is very, very, very pretty. It's called In the Money. And it's from Revlon. I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. And this is the end of the video. We are going to leave it here for today. I do hope you guys enjoy. Everything we talk about, I am going to leave in the description box for you. And please pick up something from whatever we talk about today and try it. I will highly recommend that you try this Loreal Paris Peeling Toner. Please get this and let me know what you think. Also, this Glow Baby face wash from Pacifica, you need these two products in your life. You are not going to regret using these two products at all. And just let me know how they are working for you. And please share with me in the description box your skincare routine. Okay? So thank you for watching. My name is Odette. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And I shall see you next time. Toodles.